so today we're going to be looking at, once again, Amelia Earhart.
We're going
Lost
to take
at
a
Sea.
second look at pages 8 and 9 of our mentor text. We're not going to focus on reading it so much. We'll read it a little bit, but then we're going to focus in on those text features that help us understand what we read. So, Amelia Earhart, Lost at Sea.
Amelia Earhart was a famous airplane pilot. More than 85 years ago, she bravely flew alone the Atlantic Ocean. She was the first woman ever to do that.
Then Amelia tried to become the first woman to fly around the world. This time she flew with a man named Fred Noonan. Noonan helped her with the maps and directions. Bad weather made the last part of their trip dangerous. She and Noonan mysteriously disappeared while flying over the Pacific Ocean.
The U.S. Navy led a huge search for the pair for more than 2 weeks. Earhart had many fans and followers. Some of them could not believe that such a good pilot could be lost at sea. Some thought she had been captured by some enemies of the United States. Others believed she might be alive on some island in the ocean.
Today, most people believe that Earhart and Noonan got lost. They ran out of gas and probably died. Still, no one knows exactly what happened.
It's a big mystery.
So, I don't want us to focus on the story, so I kind of made the story go in the background, and instead, we're going to focus on some things that authors use in nonfiction to help us understand the text.
They're called text features, and they're mostly seen in nonfiction books, and that will make a nonfiction book, kind of.
Yeah, if you're ever wondering what kind of book is it, if you see these features, most of the time it's nonfiction. So they'll have headings or titles in the text telling you what it's about. So if I was reading about animals, like a lion, and it said diet, that section would be about what they eat. And if I saw another section and it said habitat, that section would be about where they live.
And what if there was another one that says lifespan? It would show you about their lifespan.
Photographs, so real pictures, illustrations, they're often in these nonfiction texts.
Yeah, there were a lot of pictures.
And then under the picture, there will be a caption.
A caption will tell you what's going on in the picture.
There could be maps or diagrams telling you some special features, or something called a timeline.
A timeline is showing the order of events.
In like a person's life, from birth to kind of it's some important stuff to
death.
Eventually when they sadly die. Or sometimes you might come across a word that is dark or bold, and that means that word is important, and it might be in the glossary, which is like a spot where you can find out what tough words mean.
It's like a built-in dictionary in a book.
Built in. So we're going to show you a few of these features, and then when we find them, we're going to circle them right in our book.
So grab
a
pen
pencil
or a pencil.
We're going to circle some text features. Whoa.
Whoa! Technical issue there.
Broke my own page. First thing we're going to circle is the map.
So, this is the map of Amelia Earhart's route before she disappeared.
If you're looking at a book and there's a map or a diagram, you're probably reading nonfiction. Underneath that picture, that map, that diagram,
is the caption.
There's that caption. So I'm going to circle that too. So let me go ahead and circle the map and the caption. Here I go. I'm going to grab my pen. Right down here was the map. Circle, circle, circle. Do I have to be perfect?
No, you don't have to be perfect.
And then down here, I'm going to change color. This one is
the
different.
Caption.
This is the caption. Oh, it kind of looks like I don't even know. All right. I need more text features. Let's see what else we have.
Title.
Oh, there was the map. Did you say title?
Yep. Amelia Earhart, Lost at Sea.
Oh, man, you're ahead of the game. Lost at Sea. That'll tell you what this part of the story is mostly about. Mm-hmm. I need more text features.
We have 2 more captions. One up there and one down there.
Oh, more captions. Hold on. Whoa. Caption. Caption. I'm also seeing something over here.
Picture.
Real photographs and pictures. These are text features. Now, this example in our book doesn't have everything, though. So I did put some others in here for you to see.
Like this is the table of contents. This is
what a table of contents kind of looks like. It's going to tell you all the different important headings and the pages you can find them on. So if I just wanted to read 6 fun facts, I wouldn't read the whole book. I would just find this part where it says 6 fun facts on page 22.
Yep.
What would I be doing if I read page 10?
If you read page 10, that would be a love of flying.
She loves flying.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a way of reading just the most important parts of the book. There's something else that some books have. This is called a glossary.
A built-in dictionary in the book. It shows what the difficult words mean.
Yeah, so here's the word solo. I don't know what that means.
Solo means you're doing it by yourself. Like you're singing solo by yourself.
Or you're flying alone. So they will often tell you what those... See how these words are so dark?
That's because they're important.
Mm-hmm. So, now it's time for us to test to see what you know about text features.
Let's see what you know.
In Seesaw, you are going to see a bunch of text features.
And your job is to identify what each of these text features are correctly.
If you know you found one, you're going to slide that name right into that green rectangle. So there should be a name for each one of those. A couple are tricky, so just be on the lookout. This one over here is probably the hardest because there isn't a line, but right here it talks about when the Titanic first hit the iceberg, when it started to sink, when so-and-so got lost in the water, when they eventually rescued them. This is a timeline, so I might take this one
and put it in
and
the box
I would put it right there.
There. I think that's under a love of flying.
But see the little arrow?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So be on the lookout for my little arrows and try to find each of these text features.
Good luck,